Hi friends, I'm back again this morning with something from Lasting Lily again. It's the stamp set that is in the Sale-A-Bration catalog, and it's a choice when you spend $100. What I wanted to show you is a technique that allows us to have white lilies, because that's the color that we really think of these as being. We've done this technique before if you come to my classes. I stamped it using the Stamparatus just like I did in my last video. If you haven't seen that, you might want to flip on over on YouTube and see that. But I stamped it using Versamark. So I stamped the stems, then the flowers, and then the leaves. And then I heat embossed with white embossing powder. I did make sure that my Versamark was not especially juicy because I did not want to lose the detail in this. Then, after I heat embossed, I used, and I'll show you on this one, the Stampin blends, and I colored the bottom of each of the bulbs and a little bit down like this. And then I colored in places I thought there would be shadow, just like a normal batch of coloring. Then I colored up in here to add a little more texture. I colored with the Light Daffodil Delight Stampin' Blends. Just kind of add a little bit of texture, because when you look at a real calla lily, it has quite a bit of yellow down here along the bottom. And you're going to get a little bit of white, you probably can't see, that's so tiny, on the tip of your blends. So do just go ahead and kind of get that off as you go along. Don't leave it on there and go about your day, because that might not be a good idea. So what I've done there is just kind of go under the places that you would think there would be shadow. Then there are some lines right through here, and I used the Light Stampin' Blend right on those, where you can just kind of barely see them. Then I took the dark Stampin' Blend and colored the pistil. It's like one of the most noticeable bits about the calla lily. Clean that off. Then I used the Light Stampin' Blend to kind of finish up. And it's going to take away, if you go over this, it's going to take away most of the color from the other marker. So you're not going to get a normal amount of shading, just going to get a little tiny bit that's left because you've taken off some of the color there. So I did it like that, and there we are. And I'm in a blog hop tomorrow with my Stampin' friends, and you'll be able to see another colorway for this card. I did it in another color. So be sure and come back tomorrow and see that. Thanks for watching.